Hello, hello everyone. Good morning to all. Welcome to practical class of hydraulics and pneumatics. We're having this is the syllabus for hydraulics and pneumatics as per Savitribai Phule Pune University Pune. We're having the course code 402041 and we're having this 11 practicals listed in syllabus as per the University of Pune. So we're having this board in our lab. Welcome to this hydraulics and pneumatics lab. Myself, Sandeep Vasantrao Fartale, and here in for the hydraulics lab, we're having Mr. Shelar is lab technician and Mr. Naik is peon here for this lab. So if you need any help, you can contact them or me regarding this practicals or any queries of the practicals. So let me introduce this lab. This is a pneumatic trainer we having in our hydraulics and pneumatics lab. We're going to perform pneumatic circuits, different type of pneumatic circuits by using this pneumatic trainer kit. We're having all the advanced pneumatic components on the trainer kit. Second, we're having triple gear pump, that is vane pump test rig, that is practical number 1 we're going to perform on this, that is test on vane pump we're going to conduct here. For this test rig you can observe the pump motor. We're going to test input and outputs of the pump, input output parameter, and finally we're going to determine the performance of the vane pump or characteristic of vane pumps. We're going to plot it. Then next in our lab we are having, this is the lift, hydraulic lift. Next, that is hydraulic trainer we are having. All the different type of hydraulic circuits we're going to perform on this. Test of accumulator or test on accumulator, intensifiers, hydraulic different circuits, regenerative, speed control, meter in, meter out, bleed off, sequencing circuits, and feed control circuits, or any other different type of different possible circuits we're going to perform on this hydraulic trainer. This is hydraulic press, charts, safety tools, accessories. Here the power pack, hydraulic power pack, servo valves, relief valve, cartridge valve, proportional direction control valve, pilot operated check valve, mobile valves, and etc. This hydraulics and pneumatics lab, it is well equipped with modern tools and accessories. Now we are having the mechatronics lab also. Here in the mechatronics lab, we know very well in third year we already studied. We are having well equipped mechatronics lab. Staff sitting arrangement is here, and we prepared a journal for you. That is, this is old journal, laboratory journal of hydraulics and pneumatics. You can observe. You have to submit your term mark in the form of such journals, and oral is based on the same. There is need of modern hydraulics and pneumatics techniques and tools, along with mechatronics, control systems, and automation. That is today's need of the industry. Today's industry needs hydraulics and pneumatics system along with PLC, PID control systems, automation. So this subject and this practical plays very important role in the life of our we mechanical engineers. Okay, thank you.